Good afternoon. I'm Sajid Jamal from the Talk Power. And today is the 6th of February 2026. And today I have given you a thought by a great man, the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. He has given a very important thought today. And what he says today, prayer is not asking, it is longing of the soul, it is daily admission of one's weakness. It is better in prayer to have a heart without words than words without a heart. A great thought by a great man. Only a great person can give this kind of thought. What he tells you this in this thought, let me explain you in Hindi also. Prayer is not asking. ये जो प्रार्थना है ना, दुआएं हैं, ये मांगना नहीं होता. It is longing of the soul. ये आपकी आत्मा रूह की एक चाहत होती है. It is daily admission of one's weakness. ये प्रतिदिन का एक स्वीकृति होता है अपनी कमजोरी का. It is better in prayer to have a heart without words. ऐसा है, बेहतर है कि आप प्रार्थना जब कर रहे हो उसमें दिल लगाए. शब्दों की जरूरत नहीं है, दिल की जरूरत है, नियत की जरूरत है. Then words without a heart. आप सबसे बोले जा रहे हैं मगर दिल और नियत आपका नहीं है साफ. Then that prayer has no meaning, has no importance at all in front of the Almighty God. In the grammar section, I have given you one word substitution related to type of fear. जो डर गया समझो मर गया. फियर पे मैंने दिया फोबिया, जिसको कहते हैं जूफोबिया, फियर ऑफ एनिमल्स. जब जानवर से डरते हैं उसको कहते हैं जूफोबिया. क्लस्ट्रोफोबिया, फियर ऑफ क्लोज स्पेस. बंद कमरे में किसी को रखा जाए, बहुत सारे लोग डरते हैं वहां पे, उसको कहते हैं क्लस्ट्रोफोबिया. हाइड्रोफोबिया, पानी से डर, फियर ऑफ वाटर. बिब्लियोफोबिया, फियर ऑफ बुक्स. बच्चों के सामने किताब रख दो, बच्चा को नींद आ जाता है, डर से बच्चा भाग जाता है, बिब्लियोफोबिया कहते हैं इसको. जेनोफोबिया, फियर ऑफ डिसलाइक ऑफ द फॉरेनर्स. ऐसे लोग भी हैं जो डरते हैं फॉरेनर से, विदेशी लोगों से डरते हैं. कोई विदेशी नजर आ जाए, आपको डर लगता है कि कहीं आतंकवादी तो नहीं है. नेक्रोफोबिया, फियर ऑफ डेड बॉडी. लास्ट तक तो खुद बेहोश हो जाएगा ये आदमी. एरोफोबिया, हाइट का डर, ऊंचाई पे जाने पर इसका डर लगता है. ओ पीहोफोबिया, फियर ऑफ स्नेक. सांप देख के लगभग हर कोई डरते हैं. सिनेजेनोसोफोबिया, फियर ऑफ रिलेटिव. रिश्तेदार अगर घर में आ गया तो सबने खुद भागने लगता है. अतिथि तुम कब जाओगे. इसको रिश्तेदारों से डर है. बहुत सारे रिश्तेदार हमसे डरते हैं. एक्चुअली उनको क्या है, एक बहुत बड़ी बीमारी है, दिस इज कॉल्ड सिनजेनेसोफोबिया. नोमोफोबिया, फियर ऑफ बीइंग विदाउट योर मोबाइल फोन. आपके पास अगर मोबाइल फोन नहीं हो तो जरा सोच लीजिए कि आपकी क्या हालत होगी. इस फोबिया को कहते हैं नोमोफोबिया. आज के दिन क्या है, 6 मार्च है, और आज की हिस्ट्री में 1889 में the inauguration of Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower, as you know, is the landmark of France, of Paris. And this Eiffel Tower was inaugurated today in the year 1889. The observances that I have given you for today is no homework day. Also on May 6th, we celebrate this day. Homework actually is a painful thing for the students. There are many students, almost 90% of the students I have seen, they don't like to do their homework. And this homework is generally done in the modern time by the parents, not by the students. While the parents are doing the homework, the children are watching cartoon and watching different things. Today is a dentist day. आपके पास जब तक मुंह में दांत है तब तक आपको जाना होगा डेंटिस्ट के पास दांत दिखाने के लिए. You need this person all the time in your life. Dentist makes your teeth look beautiful. Employee appreciation day. From your employee, you become an employer. Because of your employee, you earn money. And so today is a day to appreciate the work and the things that your employee has given to you. But today is an employee appreciation day. Today is the World Day of Prayer. Ask from God. God gives you with full belief that God is going to give you something. So with this belief, 100% belief, you ask anything from God and God is there to give you. So today is a World Prayer Day, the first Friday in March. We celebrate these things. What is the theme? I will give you rest. Come. मैं तुम्हें आराम दूंगा, तुम मेरे पास आओ. Who tells this thing? God is telling this thing to his people. And what Bruce Lee has said in a quote, a very interesting quote it is, what he says, do not pray for an easy life. आसान जिंदगी के बारे में तुम प्रार्थना मत करो, दुआएं मत करो. हम सब लोग क्या दुआ मांगते हैं कि हमें आसान जिंदगी दे. No, don't ask for an easy life. This is what Bruce Lee is telling us over here. He tells us that pray for strength to endure a difficult one. तुम भगवान से ये प्रार्थना करो कि तुमको ऐसी जिंदगी दे, अगर कष्टदायक जिंदगी दे तो उसको बर्दाश्त करने का तुम्हारे पास वो ताकत भी दे. Pray for this, not for an easy life. A great thought by a great man, Bruce Lee. I'm a big fan of this man. What Mr. Eckhart has said, if the only prayer you said was thank you, that would be enough. See, God has made this universe. God has made everything in this universe for you. God has made you or given you a very beautiful life. At least we should say thank you to God in the whole day, once in a whole day at least, because whatever the thing that He has given us, and the easy life and the very beautiful life that He has given to us, to at least say thank you to God. Khalil Gibran, what he says, a nice thought by a great writer from Lebanon. He says that you pray in distress and in your need. आप मुसीबत में ही और जरूरत में ही भगवान को तुम याद करते हो, भगवान से मांगते हो, भगवान से प्रार्थना करते हो. But would that you might pray also in the fullness of your joy and in your days of abundance. क्या आप जब आपको जिंदगी में खुशियों से आप भरे हो, जब भरा पूरा हो आपका सब कुछ, आज जब आपके प्रचुर मात्रा में हर चीज हो, तब आप भगवान को याद करो, तब नहीं ये बात है. See, one thing I have seen in my life, that once a wealth comes, a lot of wealth comes, you get to a distance, you get distance from the God. आप भगवान से दूरी बना लेते हो. So this wealth has the negative things. So when you are in abundance, if that time you remember God, if that time you pray to God, then that has an importance, that has a real meaning. Thank you very much. This is all for today. Thank you again.